Welcome to Engineering Funda family. This video is a part of Network Theory lecture series, and in this video I'll be going to explain you power in electrical appliances. And to explain this, here there are few points that I would like to explain in this video. Those points are: first is what will happen when you have appliances connected in series and parallel. At that time, how much power that will get delivered to the appliances. That is what the case which I will be explaining you. And second is what will happen when you use electrical appliance which is manufactured in India for Indian power grid, and as if you use that in USA, then will it function perfectly fine? Or as if electrical appliance which is manufactured in USA with power grid rating of USA, and if you use it over here in India, then will it function perfectly fine? So all those questions that I'll be going to answer you in this video. So let us start with first agenda, that is what will happen when appliances are connected in series and parallel. At the time, how much total power will get delivered to the appliances. So for the case of series connection of appliances, total power delivered, that will be 1 by P, that is equals to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus up to 1 by Pn, where P1 is power delivered across one appliance, P2 is power delivered across second appliance. Likewise, if you want to calculate total power delivered across appliances for series connection, then that will be as per 1 by P is equals to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 up to 1 by Pn, right? And if you have parallel connection of appliances, in that case, total power delivered will be P is equals to P1 plus P2 plus up to Pn, right? So when you have series connection, at that time total power delivered, that will be as per the relation of 1 by P is equals to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 up to 1 by Pn. And for parallel connection, total power delivered will be P is equals to P1 plus P2 up to Pn. So this is what one thing that every electrical and electronics engineer must know, that total power delivered with respect to series and connection, it will be 1 by P is equals to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2. Likewise, we need to calculate. And for parallel connection, it is P is equals to P1 plus P2 up to Pn, right? And proof of this that I'll be going to explain you in next video, in which I have solved two very interesting examples where I'll show you exact proof of these two formulas, right? Now, our next agenda of this video is to understand what will happen as if we use appliances designed with respect to Indian power rating, and if you use that somewhere in USA, then will it function perfectly fine? So let us try to identify that by this case study, in which you see bulb manufactured for India with its rating is 100 watt and 220 voltage. So in India, usually voltage rating that is 220, right? So here for India, we have been given that power rating of device that is 100 watt and voltage is 220 voltage. So as per this power rating and voltage rating, I can say that internal resistance which will be there inside as a coil over here. So that internal resistance that I can identify as per P is equals to V square by R. So I can say that R is equals to V square by P, and here V is 220 divided by P, that is 100 watt. So this will be 484 ohm. So now we got the value of internal resistance, that is 484 ohm, which is there with this bulb. Now as if you use this bulb in USA, then what will happen? So you should know the power rating which is there with USA. So for USA, voltage rating of power grid, that is 110 voltage, right? So what will happen? You see, power delivered to the bulb which is manufactured here in India, that will be V square by R. And now you see how much power will get delivered, 110 square divided by this resistance, that is 484, and if you calculate this, that will be 25 watt. So now you see the power that will get delivered to this bulb, as if you use that in USA, then that will be 25 watt. And if you use that in India, then that power rating is 100 watt. So you will be observing that this same bulb that will glow with lower intensity as if you use that same bulb in USA, right? If you use that in India, then it will glow with 100 watt intensity, right? Now, but if you use same bulb in USA, then its intensity will get decreased as it will deliver only 25 watt power in USA. Now let us have second case study, in which now you see bulb is manufactured for USA with its rating of 100 watt and 110 voltage. So for USA, now this bulb is having power rating of 100 watt and the voltage value, that is 110 volt. So its internal resistance, let us calculate that internal resistance R. So that internal resistance, that will be as per P is equals to V square by R. You will be having R, that is V square by P, and V is 110 square divided by P is 100. So this will be 11 square, means 121 ohm. So now we got the value of internal resistance, that is 121 ohm. Now if you use this same bulb in India, then as we know that in India voltage rating, that is 220 volt. Now as if you have 220 voltage rating, then power delivered to same bulb, that is V square by R. So that will be 220 square divided by resistance, that is 121. So we will be getting 400. So now 400 watt, that much power that will get delivered with same bulb in India. So my dear students, what will happen if bulb is having higher current capacity? In that case, it will glow with higher intensity. But if it doesn't carry that high current, in that case there is a possibility that this bulb will get fused here in India. So that is how there may be issue. If you use same bulb which is manufactured for USA in India, in that case it may get fused. Why? The reason is now it will be delivering very high power, right, compared to its rating which is there around 100 watt. Now it will deliver 400 watt amount of power. So intensity will increase, right? It will increase by 4 times. But if you see the current rating of same bulb, and if it is not having that much amount of current handling capacity, then what will happen? That bulb will get fused. So the bulb which is manufactured for USA power grid, that cannot be used over here in India. And if you use bulb which is manufactured for Indian power rating, in that case it will be having lower power handling capacity that will be there at USA, as per the example which I have given it over here. Now I think it is clear to all of you why we cannot use same appliances which is manufactured for Indian power rating into another countries, as countries are having different power ratings of power grid, right? I hope it is clear to all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video.